Ladies and gentlemen, we just made it to our $150 a night hotel. It's called MaRadha, and over here we do have a bar at the entrance where also people that have not booked in this place can stay, order food, coffee and so on. And on this other side we do have the reception. Hello. Minura. Yeah. Minura just told me that they gave me a super room.
So you have a bedroom and a living area too.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not even know how to start describing this room. The reality is that this one is not just a room, it's a full-on suite with an amazing view of the ocean and the famous Sri Lankan railway and that massive skyscraper, and oh my gosh, there is so much space. Where else on this planet for only $150 per night you can get such a massive place? Depends on the season, the price, as you can imagine, but here we do have a sink, tissues, a place where to cook, coffee machine, some coffee and tea, water that I've already started, some special coffee that actually is mine. This one I bought it from a store that is not far from here. Here we do get this massive fridge. On which side do you open it? And well, I got no drinks, nothing special. A desk where to think, a TV, a massive sofa with again this incredible view, and there are some people doing some photos. Perfect. Wow! Let's enter the dear toilet with a massive window, cups, sink, and some useful stuff. Over here, a bathtub where you can do some questionable thinking or enjoy a bottle of wine, or I have no clue. Of course, we do have multiple towels and a shower head to do things quickly. And to do things a bit longer, I didn't turn on the light. I don't want to show too much of it. No, actually, it's absolutely fine. Here it is.
And you want to see the view?
No, I love this. The train is passing from under my bedroom, and I still didn't show you the bedroom yet. Check out this train. Oh my gosh, much love to Sri Lanka. Before completely showing you the bedroom, we need to do the usual test. Sorry, oh my gosh. So, most important part of the room, the bed. It does taste, not taste. It does feel amazing. Breakfast is included and I'm gonna show it to you later in the video, but let's start this room tour. Over here we do have a massive window. I meant mirror, yes. We do have a big TV. We do have a safe. And if you're here on a honeymoon, you might enjoy some bathrobes. I honestly feel like a doctor. What do you guys think? Apart from that, here is the massive bed, which I have already tested a couple of times. That's why it doesn't look as straight as it was originally. And here is a desk where to reflect, think, and another train! Oh my goodness! I don't know why trains make me so excited. So if you love trains and you love the ocean, I guess this suite is the perfect room for you. Yeah. This bed is pretty comfortable. Oh my! Let's go shoot the sky bar on top of the building. Let's go see what it looks like. Sky yard, pool, terrace. So we got. Ooh. Oh my. Wow. That's the pool. The bar is behind me, but let's see this view first. Man, we are pretty high. Maybe not as high as that building, but and not high in any other meaning. But we are pretty high. Oh my gosh, so cool. Top of this hotel there is this sky yard.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning. I just had a fantastic shower. A train is passing. All is great. Let's go check the breakfast. So there are multiple food options, but this morning I'm gonna keep it light because it is a travel day. But finally I had the chance to try one of the must-have local food, the egg hopper, made in this incredible funny way. It looks like a boat. Hopefully it's not gonna sink, probably in my stomach. In the meantime, you can see from over here that the view still keeps being amazing. Cheers. There is always curry. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, but that's very good. I have a question.
Yes.
How do you eat this? You simply cut it or you use the spoon? What do you do?
You have to use the hand.
I-
Cut and eat, and going with this red chutney.
So
or this two you can eat.
Okay, so I put this inside or
No, you paste and eat.
I break
Break and paste and eat.
break with hands
Like this.
and then I take with
Yeah, but little bit spicy that one.
the spicy one.
Okay.
So I need to put
Okay.
more of the spicy one.
No,
and,
pursue it.
and then by
Pursue it.
okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can try it with anything.
So with anything, so it doesn't matter what I put. It just
Yes.
Which one is your favorite, or what should
Maybe the red one.
the red one,
spice.
the red spicy?
And a little bit of chicken.
Okay. So even meat. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
So if you're mixing with the orange one, a little bit of the yellow would be fine.
Okay. So orange, yeah, everything practically. Okay. Chicken, egg. How do you call this one? Hopper.
A piece of potato too.
A piece of potato too. All in one. Okay. Perfect.
You can try.
It's like a sandwich. Thank you. Some chicken bones now, but yeah. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
So the key is eating with hands. But anyway. Another train, open doors, people going to school. Fantastic. Let me know which hotel do you prefer and get a safety wing for your next adventure. I'm about to leave the hotel and these ladies, they just gifted me a souvenir.